Solve the following sub question, and this is part number 2 of this question. Find the first term of the given sequence. हमें nth term given है tn is equal to 3n minus 4, and we have to find out t1. t1 means first term. So it's a very simple. क्या हमें करना है, जो हमें इक्वेशन यहाँ पर गिवन है, हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें n की वैल्यू 1 पुट करेंगे. So when we put n is equal to 1, you will get t1, n के प्लेस पर 1 आ जाएगा, is equal to 3n, n के प्लेस पर 1 आएगा, minus 4. So t1 is equal to 3 1 जा 3, minus 4. 3 minus 4 will give you minus 1. So first term, therefore first term of the given sequence is equal to minus 1. This is the answer of this question. I hope you like this solution. Thanks for watching.